Hey guys, so if you have a suitcase locked up like this, and the problem is that you forgot the code and you don't know it, and you also don't have a key to unlock this case, right? Don't you worry, there is a solution how you can still open it up, and I'm gonna try to show it to you. The only thing that you're gonna need is something sharp. I'm gonna use the scissors, and it's also very possible that you don't even need those. And another thing that you're gonna need is a good lighting, right? Because what we're about to do, we're gonna turn each of these dials one by one, and what we'll try to see, not here, but see, is underneath the dial, here in the bottom, there is a little space where you can see through. And what we're looking for is that in two positions of the numbers, like either it could be 0 or 1, or 0 and 9, or 6 and 7, underneath you will see a small hole. I will try to show you a bit later in the camera. And why 2 digits? Because it can be, the hole can be either like more on the right side or a bit more on the left side. And the same situation happens on a boat on all 3 dials. It doesn't matter whether you align them on the left side or on the right side. The most important thing is that all of them in all 3 dials are in the same place. So either all 3 in the right side or all 3 on the left side. So now I'm going to try to find some of them and show you. And why I am using, for what exactly I'm using the scissors, is to just move up the dial a bit so that I am able to see what's actually underneath. Because without it, it's close to impossible to see. So 7, there's nothing. 8, 6, 5, also nothing. And this one, I think it is. I'm gonna try to show you, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible at all. You see, there is a little hole on the left side, and it's exactly the same here and exactly the same for this pin. This is what you're looking for. You need to align all 3 dials to have the holes in the same side. That was basically the most hardest part, because now it's still not the code, but we're getting there. And the easiest part is, once you have all 3 dials dialed in with the hole looking at you at the bottom of the wheel, the only thing that you need to do is dial up or dial down each of them by +1 or -1. So 4, 5, 3 to 4, 0 to 1. Doesn't work. 6, 5, 2. And there we go, it's open. Right? So aligning the holes underneath means that you've set them up correctly. It's just a matter of turning them one by one, +1 or -1, to pick the right combination. Hope this helps. See you guys later.